Hello, Unique family. Welcome back to the channel. Today it is Makeup Monday. Today is Makeup Monday and I am so excited, and if you do not know who I am, my name is Patrice. Here I love to do unboxings for Avon, including tips, tricks, all that, a bag of chips, and much, much more. Also, I'm loving my Pokemon 25th anniversary makeup series, and if you love Pokemon as much as I do, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll know each and every time I upload. This Makeup Monday is going to be extra special because I am teaming up with my wonderful Sqaud sisters, which you can find every single one of them down in the description box below. Me and Toni have been together for a very long time, and a lot of times Toni comes up with these really beautiful ideas. And this idea was to send each other a package with makeup in it. And all we could do is use our foundation because it's kind of hard for me to match her color and her to match mine. And we use our own foundation, our own brushes, or if you include brushes, that's fine. And you come up with a makeup look with the products that person sent. So I got my package. So I got my package. I did open the top, and y'all can see it before me because I haven't looked in here yet. All I did was open the top because you know I have problems with my hands. And I'm going to unbag this in front of you and also create a makeup look with everything she put in there. I already have my face already done. I love doing makeup applications after a self-care Sunday. So this is after my Farm RX self-care Sunday, and it still looks wonderful. And yes, I am still wearing my I Love Someone with Autism Awareness shirt. It is from the autismspeaks.org. I will have that link down in the description box below. It is still Light It Up Blue Month, and remember, I said for the month of April we are lighting up our channel blue, so I had to include my blue. So let's get into this beautiful package that she sent for us, and let's take a look what's inside. Oh, there's a card. So let's pull it out first, and it says, Sqaud, mama. Alright, so card. Hey girl, I think I only swatched the grade in this palette, and I swatched all the pots. All the lips are new in the mascara. Primer is new as well. Hope you can make a look with all of this, LOL. Hope you and your family are well. Can't wait to see your video. Love you, girl, Toni. Oh, thank you, sweetie. I've never been so nervous about making a video than I am right now. I love planning out my makeup looks. I love, like, okay, I got everything down here. I know what I'm going to do, and then I put it on. With this is literally a blind bag makeup mashup. And so I see there's a palette, but I'm going to go for in here first. And I'm going to show you what she sent me, and then I'll show you what I'm going to be using on my face. So, oh, it's a lot. It's a lot. All right. First thing I see is this here. You can see it. And it is, I don't know how to say that, Veracity Cosmetics. And this is Halo Dew Pot Luminator. So that's what it looks like. And I will take a swatch of it so y'all can see. I don't know what that is. I don't know what a halo. Oh, so you can make a halo. Okay, I'm not used to halos, but I'm going to try it. All right, so the next thing I see is an e.l.f. metallic lip eyeshadow. And it is in a tube like this, and it has a doe foot. And this is what that shade looks like. Again, I am nervous. There's a lot of metallics in here, Toni. A lot of metallics. The next thing I see in here is an e.l.f. pot. This is a smudge pot. And this is the color Ain't That Sweet. Oh, that's cute. This is what it looks like inside. And here is what it looks like out of swatched. I am nervous. This is a lot of metallics. That's a lot of metallics. Okay. The next thing I see is a Kaja Matcha Glow. What's this here? It is in the color Toy Alien. Ooh, there's that shade there. I don't know if you guys can see. There it is. And it does have a little bitty mirror. I guess it's supposed to be a highlighter or something. And that's what it... Let me show you what it looks like swatch. Okay. I think that's supposed to be a highlighter. So, that is what that looks swatched. I'm nervous, y'all. It's a lot of metallics going on here. And then, oh, she gave me a mascara. So, there is a Boom Elastic Lash Volumizing Mascara. And that's what it looks. There's the foot there. There's the brush, excuse me. Alright. And then there is a Hello Fab Pore Be Gone Matte Primer with fig extract. And this is oil free and it's safe for sensitive skin. I believe I see a lot of the Ipsy ladies, they unbox this. And so this will basically be my first time trying it. So I'm really excited. So I already know off the gate I don't need a primer. So I can put back my primer. And then she gave me a Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper. Apparently, I need to plump up my lips, so I will be adding this as well. And she gave me two lip creams. One is a soft matte lip cream in the color California, and the other one is a soft matte metallic lip cream. Oh, in the same shade. Okay, so I have one cream lip with no glimmers and then one with metallic. So I'm going to swatch these real quick. So this one is the metallic one. Oh, that went on smooth. Okay. And this one is just the regular. Oh, I can tell the difference. There you go. So the top one is the top one here is the metallic, and the bottom one here is not. Very interesting look today. Very interesting. And last thing she put in here was a palette, which is very, very beautiful packaging. There you go. This is called Huda Vidoji. Huda Vidoji. It's kind of like emoji, but it's, yeah, with a V. And here, oh, wow. That's pretty. Wow, I love, wow, look at all those beautiful colors. And I will do a swatch of these on my Instagram. So my Instagram is linked down below. So if you want to see me swatch these beautiful colors and what they look like, don't forget to go over there and follow me on Instagram and you will see the swatches of these. And if you're like swatches, Amanda from our squad, she does amazing swatches. So head over there. There are the swatches for these. The colors are Naked Caramel Tangerine, Amber Need Fire, Tiramisu, The Palace, Sunrays, Sermon. Oh, mommy has glasses. Bitsunami, Twilight Lavender, Magic Copper Rose, Sunrise, Party Ruby, Rose Vial, and Chill. And those are the beautiful colors in this palette. I have a feeling I'm going to be in the rose category. And the reason why I say, let me just clear off my area real quick. I think I'll probably play more so in the red shade. So these right here today. And I might just even grab this Chill as a smoky crease. Because I see there's a lot of nude and shimmery colors there. And all kind of fun. Grab me a wipey real quick. So I am going to play a lot of fun with that. Let me just wipe. I'm going to have fun with these colors. I'm really going to have fun with them. I'm thinking in my head what I should do. Because like I said, this is literally the first time I've seen it. But to get my face set, I'm also going to go with my Magix Tint. I'm going to go with a no makeup look today. I'm going in with my Magic Corrector to do my dark circles. But the Farmer X is working. So hopefully before long you won't see those. And then of course to set everything, my Magic Dust. So sit back, relax, enjoy the music while I change my face into all these beautiful things that Toni Talks Unboxings gifted us.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I are safe and sound. And we just slow down. For you and I are safe and we were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I are safe and sound. Can we just slow down? And we just slow. Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, it's not like we need them. Safe and sound.
I'm just a note to make you smile.
There you have it. That is my makeup that I used that Toni Talks Unboxings gave me. Oh my gosh. This is kind of cute though. This gives me so much 80 vibes. Y'all just don't know. I actually tried the halo. Looking in the mirror, what I see, this is really, this is really like, hi. Like looking in the mirror, I actually love the glitters in the eyeshadow palette. Like that mascara though, y'all, that mascara really looks good. I mean, it really brung my eyelashes up. It looks like I'm wearing falsies, which is really kind of cool. Now, the lip plumper, that lip plumper, y'all, I'm telling you, it tingled a lot. But I knew that was because it was doing what it needed to do to plump my lips. I have full lips anyway, so for me to use a lip plumper was very odd for me, but it was kind of cool in a way too because I've never had one before. And I also went in with my, what was that? My Ultra Lush Lip Liner from Avon, and this is in the color Current. I actually love that color. Oh my gosh, that is really beautiful. And all I did was add the California as a little highlight in the middle. And it came out, I think it came out really good. I love this no makeup look. I actually like this no makeup look. It's really, really cute. I love how the eyes are very vibrant in their red. I used the colors Naked, Amber, Rose Vial, Ruby, Twilight Lavender, and Chill. I'll actually swatch those for you. And the Twilight and the Rubies are all glimmers. So here is Naked, Amber, Twilight Lavender, Ruby, and then I had, Ruby Vial is right there. And then I added a little bit of Chill. And let me find a place for him. And then we have that guy there. So these are all the colors I used from that palette. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there they are. And that's what I used here to create this here. I also went in with, trying to find everything. I also went in with this beautiful halo. This is called Toy Alien. So I did use the Matcha Glow to do the halo in the middle. It was really cool. I've never tried a lot of this stuff. I forgot to put the primer on when I started. My bad. But I did remember to put it on my lids. So that was a really good thing that I remember to do, was to put that on my lids. I love the lip plumper. It was really different. It was really unexpected because I never had a lip plumper before. Again, having fuller lips, it was really weird, but my lips feel so, and I guess it's the peppermints in it or whatever that makes it plump, but it really looked really good because I did get up close for you all to see how big the lips are, and they were a little bit bigger than what I'm used to. Like my sides felt bigger and everything, but the whole time I was putting on makeup, I was like, what's going on with my lips? But it was fun. It was so much fun to do this. I hope that you guys had fun. Did y'all like what we did? Please leave it down in the comments down below. If you're liking it as much as I did, I think we're going to try to do this every 2 to 3 months just to see what each other can do with the makeup that we get from different things. I love this. And if you have not seen Toni's What We Gifted Toni, go over to her channel. Of course, my Uneek Squad is always listed down in the description box below, and she'll be also in the iCard above for you for quick and easy access. That is all the time that we have for today. I am so excited for this makeup mashup. Oh my gosh, go see what Toni did with what we got. You'll be surprised what we gave her. You'll be surprised. So from our family to yours, remember to be happy, be kind, always be courageous. God bless, and we'll catch you on the flip side.
And you need